Guangzhou CSS Auto Accessories Company Limited was established in 2014 and located at Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, China. It is a professional car modification enterprise that specializes in R&D, high-quality dry carbon fiber automotive body components and sale of all kinds modification parts, such as body kits, car bumpers, engine hoods, car spoilers, side skirts, interior decoration, and other car accessories. Mainly engaged in modification accessories for medium and high-end supercar vehicles. We take excellent products, high reputation, perfect after-sales service, and reasonable price as our business concept. With the new development of modern car industry, the company has gained applause and trust from vast users. The sale network has covered over 50 countries and regions, such as Europe and America, Middle East, North America, and Southeast Asia. CSSCAR is capable of offering well-known and excellent modification brands for global clients. At the same time, it can also provide a series of high-quality customized brand products, material related with dry carbon fiber, fiberglass PPPU, and so on. At present, we have made great achievement, and in the future, we will be more professional, hardworking, and considerate, providing more wonderful modification life for global customers' vehicle. Please feel free to contact us. Welcome to send original car parts, 3D scanning data, or any designs to customize. Welcome new and old clients to contact us for business negotiation. Every day 24 hours service for any customers.